Okay, just 45 seconds left to go before we ring the opening bell for this morning. And you'll have Titan, Keynes all react to their numbers. Hitachi Energy as well, which is set for a big gap up move. The numbers are impressive. Order inflow uptick of about 26%, margin expansion of 400 basis points. There's Oil India as well, which came out with its numbers. And then, of course, it's a slew of earnings like we just flagged off. The texture of the market, like Kunal was highlighting, well, Friday, of course, the big casualty was Bajaj Finance. In the week gone by, you did have names like Reliance come back to the fore, and that saw a decent move. Defense as a sector has been doing very well, so have auto and auto angs. So let's see whether the texture of the market remains with these few leaders or whether more get added to that list and decide the future course of action for the markets. 24,583, it's an absolutely flat start right now for the Nifty 50. Nifty Bank starts off with a gain of about 0.4%. Much better a move coming in there. So let's see what the Nifty Bank constituents are. But before that, let's get you a sectoral color on what is actually happening in the market and what are the big contributors as we speak right now. So consumer durables, oil and gas have been the drag. PSU banks clearly up in the green. Nifty IT holding out well, and Nifty private bank and pharma as well not doing bad. If it's PSU banks, it's got to be led by SBI. Let's see what that stock is up to after the brokerages are reacting to the management commentary as well post the numbers. SBI starts off steady, 1% higher for that stock as we speak right now. What about the big movers at Titan, which we're going to be chatting with the management as well shortly and get a sense of where they're headed next in terms of their earnings and performance. Titan starts off 1% thereabouts in the green. Hitachi Energy, Keynes, Oil India, Apollo Micro, they all came out with their numbers. MQ Pharma as well, the US FDA has classified their Sanand Formulations unit as VAI, issued an EIR as well for them. Other earnings reactions coming in from the likes of Green Panel, Nitin Spinner, Sigal India, Eveready Industry, Akam Drugs. They all came out with their numbers, as did, of course, Maharashtra Seamless, NLC, Azad Engineering, Raymond Realty, Intero Healthcare. You had Anand Raj as well come out with its numbers. BLS International, Sky Gold, wherein there's been a sizable revenue uptick of about 78%. Lemon Tree, a much sedate quarter. Margin has seen a little bit of a dip. For Anand Raj, it's a good set of numbers. Atul Auto, EBITDA jump up of 69%, and PNC Infra, which has seen the margins expand all the way to 31%. Atul Auto, though, is seeing a very, very stark reaction there. PNC Infra holding up almost 2.5% as we speak. So that's pretty much it, the color on what's happening across at least the earnings and the newsmakers. Harsh, what else are you spotting?
Yeah, I mean, Aarti Pharma Labs is the one that's really standing out in trade. It's locked in, excuse me, nearly upper circuit. Now 19% higher on Aarti Pharma Labs. Entero Health, the numbers were stupendous as well. Very strong numbers. That stock is perked up around 11%. Hitachi Energy is up 7%, and we spoke about those numbers being very impressive, and that up move suggesting so. Quality Power is locked in upper circuit, 5% higher, so that one also on the back of strong numbers seems to be doing well in this morning's day of trade. You're looking at Jamna Auto as being the casualty of the day, frankly, from an earnings standpoint, 14% lower on Jamna Auto, while Raymond Realty's numbers were not half bad on a very, very low base, but you're still seeing a 10% knock on the stock price. There's been a significant run-up on the stock price already over the last 3 to 6 months. So maybe that too playing its part in the move today. NLC, Keynes are the other ones in focus. Keynes now down 6.25%, settling in at that kind of a price point. Cello World, again, the numbers were very disappointing. Stock is down 4.5% odd, just no growth there in terms of the numbers. Ola is down 5% as well. Subros is down 4% as well. Godavari Power is down 3%. While the top line was strong, margin dilution has happened for a Godavari Power Ispat, and that's why you're seeing the kind of move. CARE's numbers were good, but 2.5% lower on that one. Kunal, let me toss it to you. How are you looking at the opening moves?
Yeah, it's a good start for the index because I think the Bank Nifty is leading the charge. We are almost on the verge of breaking 58,000 mark on the Bank Nifty. So hopefully, I think we sustain that. Then I think we can probably move up the ladder higher for the index with the support from the banking index And hopefully this time around, it could be a mix of both the PSUs as well as the private sector banking stocks, at least trying to make a comeback of sorts. From the opening trade perspective, Reliance Industries is something which looks attractive, specifically after the previous week move where the stock pushed up, I think, around 3.5 to 4%, and then a follow-through up move of 0.5% on Friday. Looks attractive at the current levels of 1,300 approximately.
Just keep a watch on two stocks.